close this one. So now this means that our program for the editing is complete. So I will use copy this one to do another, because it's similar. So I will choose this one to do for the second. So in here I will add to be the second case is be substract, right? So it should be substract. So change the number to be number 2, and I tell them to do that. And here I just change this one to be minus. And now you have to change this one to be minus. Right. So the number 3 will be multiplied, right? So I just pass another one, this one to be the number 3. Number 3 is for multiply, right? So I change here to be multiply, and change this number to be number 3. And I just change this one to be multiply, change this one to be multiply, that is. And now I still have the number 4, right? Number 4 for division. So I copy another to be here. This one I change this to be division like this, and change the number to be number 4, right? Number 4. So for the division I have to change this to be division, and this one should change this one too, right? So I have the case. And now for the number 5 for exceed the system, right? So I had to change this one. Number 5 for this one for exceed the system. The case will be number 5. And for the exceed, I just change the value. So to exceed the while loop, right? To exceed the while loop, I have to use the break. So we can use the break. And for example, in here, I will choose this one to be, I use the whatever exceed, right? EC system, this one. So I change the value here to be 1, that is, should be to be 1, but outside, right? So outside this one for and switch, right? This one for and switch. This one and switch. So outside the switch, I will change to be if this one is if this one equal to 1, This means we will break. We use this break to exit, right? Exit the while loop and stop the program. This one we use to be like this. So okay, so I will use one, and for example that I want to use another, we have to use the default case. And why we use the default case? Because example that the user put the number, another number, for example 6, 7, right, 8, 19. In that one you should tell the user to put only 1 to 5, right? So the case like this, if you use the default, and in this case we show the message to the user that the user should put the number only 1 to 5. So we use the console dot write this one, and in here we just please enter the number, please enter the number 1 to 5 only, 1 to 5 only. This. If user put 0 or another number that is not in between 1 to 5, so if the program will go to the default, right? So they can you tell the user like that. And in the case like this, I can use this one. I can copy this one. I can use this one to be under passing here, right, to be the same like this. So when this complete, so now we will try to run our program. So let's run again to F. So now we are running our program, but we have to wait because it takes a little bit, it'll be the time to run the program. Okay, so now you see that our program is open. So to see more, I will put to be. For example, I want to add 1, that is enter. So 2, 3, 5, right? So the next, I will go to number 2 for Substract. For example, 33, 22, like this, right? So now you see that this one is correct, right? This one is correct. So that means our calculation is correct. So the next we'll put number 3, right? For multiply this one, for example 2 plus 33, that is. So this one also correct, right? This one. This means okay. So for the division, I will put the number 4 like this. And for example, 12, 3, this. So this one is also correct. Okay. So now I want to exit the system. I want to stop our program and put number 5 like this. So now we just press so now you see that is easy the system, so just enter like this. For example, that I want to ask the confirm, I can use in the this one. For example, that I want to use to confirm, so I have to write this one console to write this one, and inside here I will write do you want to exit the system? Do you want to exit the system? You ask the user like this, and after that you have to let him choose something, right? So you write the next to be a console, right, like this, and in here you say yes or no, like this, to let the user choose yes or no to input. So in here, for example, I just I don't want to in the new line use this one, yes or no, and then I do this one. And for then that you have to declare a variable to receive the value, right? So in this case, we use the character or string, so we have to use the string, right? So I will use that string yes or no, like this, equal console dot read line like this one. So after that you have to use if statement to separate that if yes or no. So you use if this one, and you want to know the value to this one equal yes, this one. So when it equals yes, you use this one, and for another we don't care, so just choose this one to be like this. For another one, this means the value of the variable is existent, no need to change, right? So we just write this. So now let's run our program again. Control F1 on the keyboard. So now let's see what will happen when we run our program. So it takes a little bit time. Okay, so now our program will be like this. So now let's run our program. For example, I try number 1, right? 22.2 plus 3.3, this one, right? So the next one to subtract, choose number 2.6.5 like this. And when I want to multiply, just the number 3, right, this one. So I want to division, I choose the number 4, For example, I choose 66.5 for 22, like this. So you build this. So after that, I want to EC the system. I choose the number 5. So now the program will ask me that, do you want to EC the system? For example, I just, so it will be back to this one, right? So I choose the number 5 again, and we ask yes or no. So I put yes, so program will end, like this.